Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I've got a blaster box of 2021 Mosaic NBA basketball. Actually found this morning on my way to breakfast. So yeah, these have the potential for the orange fluorescent prisms, numbered to 25, and I want to say that it also has uh, what is it? Oh yeah, you can get the Genesis prisms. But I thought there was something else that, like say the reactive orange, reactive greens, or something. But we'll see. I don't believe I've done any. I remember doing a mega box that I found, a lone mega box at Walmart a few weeks back. Oh, one pack for some reason doesn't want to come out. So yeah, there's just, what is it, 8 packs, 4 cards a pack, so 32 cards a box. And again, with the way that Walmart can price them, these were like $35 for a blaster. So we'll see how the quality is for 35 bucks. So we start off with a Marcus Smart, then a Trey Burke, Udoka Azubuike for the Jazz rookie, and an Elevate insert Derek Jones Jr. Paul Millsap. So yeah, we got a green mosaic here. Kevin Love. An NBA debut of Denny Avdija for Washington. And a Rashawn Holmes green mosaic for the Kings, who, just like the Lakers, are not going into the playoffs. PJ Tucker, Josh Jackson, we got an insert, the Hall of Fame, Tim Duncan, and then a rookie of Jameis Ramsey. Next pack. Rajon Rondo on the Clips. Jay Crowder with the Suns. Russell Westbrook, National Pride insert, and then a DeAndre Hunter Hawks. I think he got traded though. I thought he went to New York or something. But I could be wrong. I haven't really been following that closely. Not in recent years, anyway. Yeah, there's a name for you. Nemanja Bjelica for the Heat. Kelly Oubre Jr., Reggie Perry, and then a Mosaic Silver of Cody Zeller. So I saw Hornets, but unfortunately it was not a LaMelo, or not LaMelo. God, why can't I think of his name? The other ball. John Wall, Bam Adebayo for the Heat, Emmanuel Quickley, NBA debut, and a Kyra Lewis Jr. green mosaic for the Pelicans debut. Yeah, it's LaMelo, because Lonzo is the one that was originally drafted by the Lakers, and then went to the Pelicans, and now he's in Chicago. I want to say he's injured, so he's not playing. Monte Morris, Reggie Bullock for the Knicks, Kyra Lewis Jr., rookie. And then a bang, Luka insert. Last pack. Former Blazer, C.J. McCollum. Drew Holiday for the Bucks. Steve Nash, all-time great. And our last card is going to be Facundo Campazzo. Green Mosaic for Denver. Rookie. I remember seeing a game recently, and that he's a little scrapper. I'll give him that. So yeah, quick recap. The Campazzo Green Mosaic. Kyra Lewis rookie. Emmanuel Quickly debut rookie. Kyra Lewis debut Mosaic. Jamius Ramsey rookie. I should have sleeved him. The debut for the Denny. I guess I forgot to sleeve the bottom two here. So NBA debut, and then Udoka Azubuike rookie. And then for other inserts and stuff, we got the Rashawn Holmes Green Mosaic, the Elevate, the Bang, Cody Zeller Mosaic Silver, a DeAndre Hunter Green Mosaic, and a Hall of Fame Tim Duncan. So yeah, that concludes this break of a blaster box of 2020-21 Mosaic NBA basketball. So thanks for taking the time to watch it. As always, keep collecting.